Hello everyone, this is Aditi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Oreo ice cream. So let's get started this video. Please share this video and like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's start it. So guys, let's start this video. Guys, here we have Oreo. Here we have a packet of Oreo and here we have keep in the plate. We have taken a Oreo. Here we have taken 2 cup of milk. So now guys, we have to boil the milk until it will not thick. So guys, we have to take out the Oreo's cream. You can see here is the white cream. We have to take out and keep it. It's a very difficult work to do if there are so many Oreos. You can see how I'm doing the work. Here guys, you can see we are doing only guys now 2 or 3, 4, 5 are left. As you can see. Now guys, as you can see, only 1, 2 are left. Broken. Some is broken, some is not. Okay. Not with help of the spoon, we are doing with our hands also. Cream. You can see. Just take out with spoon, I think, yes. So guys, all is ready. We have taken all the biscuits cream. Now this is the cream we have taken out. Guys, now we will take 4 tablespoons of corn flour. You can see we are putting it and the milk is boiling, as you can see. Now we have to mix it well. Now guys, we have to crush these Oreo. I like to crush Oreos and biscuits. If you all guys also like to crush Oreos, so please like this video. So now let's crush. Now guys, we will crush with this the Oreos. So now guys, you can see we are crushing. As you all can see, it's crushing very uniquely. Guys, we have put cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon in cocoa powder in the milk with corn flour. Now guys, we will add some cream on of Oreo biscuit. You can see. Yummy. Now guys, we have to, 1 biscuit is left. We have to take out its cream. Now guys, we will add 4 teaspoons sugar. You can see 3 and last 4. Guys, as you can see, it's too tough to crush Oreo biscuits in the plate. You can see. Now guys, we have crushed all the Oreos. You can see. Guys, now we will turn off this gas. And we will put this milk inside here. We will keep aside for it's cold. You can see for cold. Guys, now we will put Oreo biscuits inside this milk. You can see. Now guys, we will take this milk and freeze in this bowl. Guys, we have put the milk in this bowl. Now we will freeze this milk in the fridge for 24 hours. Guys, we will cover this ice cream with foil paper. And here it is done. It is covered with foil paper. And now we will keep in the fridge for 24 hours. Then we will see after 24 hours. Guys, my ice cream is ready to eat. Let's open it. Woohoo! Guys, you can see ice cream. Like, you can see it's very tasty. Please try it and subscribe my channel and like my channel. Bye bye.